Hello everyone. Today I have brought my hydrangea collection for all you guys. There are hundred of varieties of hydrangea, but this year I have got a few of them. So let me show you of what I have got this year. This is the first variety. This is called Lacecap Hydrangea. It is called Lacecap because you can see the flowers are blooming on the side, making giving it a look of a lace. So as you can see here, the new blooms are coming up. These ones are quite old. And here you can see the new bloom is coming up, and it has got a very pretty purple color. You can see here. Basically the ones in between, they don't bloom, but only the outside circle, these flowers bloom. This is one of the variety, the Lacecap Hydrangea, and it is pretty hardy. And this is the second variety which I have put in my garden bed, and this is called Mophead Hydrangea, just because it has got the shape of a mop. You can see this pretty bright pink color over here, and basically the color of hydrangea, it can be blue or pink, but the color depends on the acidity of the soil. You can see from this woody branch, so many branches are coming out. This one also goes high up to 2 meters, and it's a pretty good bush. See here. Wind is so strong in the Melbourne weather. This is the third variety. Here you can see light pink, pretty flowers. You can see, and I'm so super crazy for hydrangeas, you know that. They are very good for outdoor flower display, or you can even display them on your dining table to make a very nice bouquet. Here you can see the pretty baby pink color, and this is Magical Revolution. The name of this hydrangea is Magical Revolution. See, this is the best thing. When you buy the plant from the nursery, you have got this name tag with them, and you can look up what's the variety, what's the name of the variety, and on the back here you can see all the information is there that you need to take care of these plants. See, this one I have taken out. So here you can see it tells you all about this flower, and here is the website where you can see, go and find whatever you need to know. So this one stays up to 50 centimeter. So I decided to put them indoors, and they, as you can see here, it is written indoors or outdoors, so they work well indoors as well as outdoors. So I'm planning to put them inside because they don't need too much of sun. They just the hydrangeas love the morning sun and a little bit of afternoon sun, and after that they love to be in shade. And this is the most lovable variety of hydrangea that I've got yet. And you can see the double blooms are here. It's like a rosette of its own. And this one is, the name of this one is Desire You, and being Modern Double Blooms. So here you can see it loves part shade or full shade, and it goes up to height of 1 meter, and it can spread up to 1.5 meter. So the color, again, as I told you, it depends on the pH value of the soil, and it can change to pink. Here you can see it was bright blue, but now it's changed it's changing slowly to a little pinkish tinge. Yeah, can you see? And I just wanted to show you something, like planning to propagate them. Here you can see small buds coming out. These small buds, these are the buds that will grow up into the stem and have bloom on it. So they start blooming with the start of the spring and they bloom all summer, give you lovely blossoms, lovely blooms all summer. So as I told you, you can make a very lovely bouquet for your dining table to put inside your living room. So here you can see this one, this one is the full bloom. Here these two are the full blooms. So I'm gonna cut them and put them in the vase with some of the water. So we need to check because we can even propagate them later on. So we have to cut just like 2 nodes. After 2 nodes we can save the last one, and you can, with the clipper you can cut it from here with an angle, and you can put them in here. They should dip inside the water, and this is the one, and you can see this is the long one. So we need one long, but not stem, so you can clip it all down. And I will have to put some more water on it. So here you have a lovely bouquet for your dining table. So here is my bouquet.